Hello students, welcome to our class, and this is our computer period. And today in this lecture we will learn some features, some commands of MS Excel. So let's move on to our today's topic. Students, in a previous lecture we learned some features of MS Word. So today we will learn the features of MS Excel. So first feature is autofill feature. In this lecture we will learn how to use the autofill feature and then some functions of MS Excel. So just observe student, here this is the Excel title bar. This is a MS Excel application and this is a title bar. Book1.excel is written here. So book 1 is, this is a interface, and you can see here the interface of the work area of this interface as a sheet form. Okay, is a sheet form, and these horizontal blocks 1 2 3, this is called the rows. This is called the rows. First row, second row, third row, these are rows, and columns A, B, C, D. So these vertical blocks are called the columns. Okay, again one thing, here's some quick access toolbar, then ribbon are same as MS Word, but here home tab is common, then insert tab is common. Some tabs are different in the MS Excel. Again, if we click on the home tab, so the commands of the home tab is displayed. If we click on the insert tab, then the commands of the insert tab is displayed. If we click on the different tabs, then the different commands is appeared on the ribbon. This is called the ribbon. Understand, this horizontal bar is called the ribbon. So by default home tab is selected, and some commands of the home tabs like a cut command, copy, then format painter, then font styles, bold, italic, underlines, these are same as MS Word. Then alignments, but some commands are different in MS Excel. So we will learn one by one. Student, if we select any cell, the intersection of rows and columns are called the cell. This is cell. If we select any cell, then the address of selected cell is appeared here. This is the address. This is written E1. So E1 is the address of selected cell, because this E column and first row, E column and first row, this is the address of this selected cell. If we select other cell, then the address of this cell is G and then 1, first row. So G1, and G1 address of selected cell is written in this bar. Okay, then next thing is address bar. If we write down any word, text or number on a selected cell, just write computer, then the address bar also the computer is written. Okay, if we select any cell, if we select any particular cell and type the any word, letter or number in this address bar, just write 1 2 3, then 1 2 3 is written in the selected cell also. Understand? Then next thing is autofill feature. I will explain you about autofill feature directly. So autofill feature means if you write down some numbers from 1 to 20, for example, let's consider you want to write down the numbers from 1 to 20, 1 2 3. So here two ways. First way is select the cell and type the numbers from the keyboard, then fifth. Okay, then and second way is type 1 and 2, then select the two cells, then place your cursor on the corner here the dark plus sign is appear, dark plus sign. Then using the mouse, drag and drop up to 20. If you want to insert the number up to 20, then drag and drop up to 20. If you want to write down the numbers up to 50, then drag and drop up to 50. Okay, then click on the center align option for center alignments. Understand? Just repeat it. If you want to write the odd numbers from 1 to 20, odd numbers means 1, then 3, then 5, then 7. So select the write down the 1 and 3, 2 digit, then select the these two cells, then place the cursor on the corner of the selected cells, then drag and drop. And your question is write down, insert the series of odd numbers from 1 to 20, then drag and drop up to less than 20. So here, so 19 up to 90. Understand, student? 1, 3, 5, 7, these are the odd numbers. It's clear? If you want to write the table of 2, that means 2, then 4, then 6, then 8. So select these cells, place the cursor on the corner, and then drag and drop up to 20. So 2 tens are 20. Click on the center align for center alignment. Got it, student? So this is the autofill feature. This is called as a autofill feature. If you want to write this table, this is a mark sheet of your examination. Okay, so just write down here serial number. So total number of subjects, English, Hindi, then English, Hindi, Marathi. Okay, so here total 10 subjects. So write down the serial number 1, then 2, then select the cells and drag and drop up to 10. So here total 10 subjects. You can select this table, you can select, then change the alignment, change the font of this Arial. Okay, change the style of this text or numbers, then change the color if you want to change color, otherwise let it black. Okay, then next one is functions. So functions, here in the home tab, if we click on the home tab, on the ribbon, here some functions, sum function, average function, count number, max number, mean number. So what are the use of these functions? Okay, so just see one by one. If you want to calculate, if you want to total, if you want to sum of this number, then use the sum function. So write down here sum, then count, then mean, max, then mean, okay, then average, then average. So just change the font, select the cells, change the font. If you want, if required, then change the font, otherwise no. Then if you want to change the color, okay. So here you want to apply these functions on this number list. So select on the cell where you want to insert the sum of this number, that means the total of this number. So select the cell first, then click on the auto sum function, sum function, then select, again I repeat, first select the cell, then click on the sum function. By default these numbers are selected, but manually you can select the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 10 subjects, and then press enter key from the keyboard. So here 754 is a sum of total of this number. Then next function is count function. Count function is used to count the number. Okay, so just see here count number. So first select the numbers here, No. First select the cell. Control Z. Just a minute. So first click on the cell, select on the cell. This is very important. First select on the cell where you want to insert the answer. Okay, then click on the function, count function, then select the numbers manually. So here answer must be 10 because here 10 numbers 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So just enter and check. Yes, answer is 10. So count function just count these numbers. Okay, the next function is max. So click select the cell where you want to find out the answer, where you want to display the answer. Max function is used to select the maximum function, maximum number. So click on the max function, then select the range, select the numbers, and then press enter key from the keyboard. So here 90, just check. Yes, 90 is the maximum number. So max function returns the maximum value of the selected cell, maximum value of the selected numbers. Then next is the minimum number. First select the cell, then click on the min function, then select the numbers manually. Again click on the select the cell, click on the min function, then select the cell. No, what happened? Click on the min function, then select the cells manually. Okay, then press enter key. So here 45 is the least number, minimum number. Let's check. Yes, 45 is minimum number. Then next function is the average function. Average function is used to find out the average of given numbers. Let's check. Click on the first select the cell where you want to display the answer. Then click on the auto sum function on this arrow, then average, then select the numbers manually and then enter. So here 75.4 is the average of these given numbers. Understand, student? So this was today's lecture. Rest we will see in next lecture. So till the time, goodbye. Thank you very much.